nature study class. It is the old class, children. Today we are going to do the items you see in the classroom. जो तुम लोग classroom में items देखते हो. We see in the classroom different items. Page number, page number 9. Page number 9. Page number 9 in the nature study book. Page number 9 in the nature study book. Children, when you will have your half yearly exam ना, तब तुम लोग का nature study का exam भी होगा. अभी नहीं हो रहा. अभी unit test में no exam of nature study. But in the half yearly you will have that also, children. Okay. So now take out page number 9. Page number 9 of nature study book, Pictionary book, and now we are going to do in the classroom. See, this is a cathedral classroom. In cathedral, the classroom, we have got all these things. जब तुम लोग आओगे स्कूल, you will see there are lot of things in the classroom, and ये सब चीजें classroom में है, you know. All these things are there in the classroom, children. All these things are there in the classroom. Okay, so today we are going to learn in the classroom. Okay, in the classroom, the things which you see in the classroom. Okay, Zainab, now look here. Now first is who, what is this? This is a blackboard. See, this is a blackboard. Blackboard. Ma'am writes on the blackboard now. Ma'am blackboard पे लिखती है ना. Whenever I teach you something, I write on the blackboard. So what is this? This is a blackboard. And this is, see, Manika ma'am. Manika ma'am is teaching you. She is wearing a sari. I don't wear saris. Very rare I wear saris. But the thing is, see, ये देखो मैम खड़ी हैं, हिंदी मैम खड़ी हैं या मनिका मैम खड़ी है. देखो, she is teaching, है ना? So this is teacher. Teacher. Who is this? Teacher. Teacher. Okay, this is teacher. Who is this? This is a, yes, good morning. Myra, happy birthday. Wait, I will, abhi just now after the class. Okay, come on. This is blackboard. What is this? This is blackboard. And this is teacher. Yes, Divyansh, close your mic. This is teacher. A teacher is a person who teaches you. टीचर कौन होता है? जैसे मैम मनिका टीचर हैं, रीना मैम टीचर हैं, तो आपको पढ़ाते हैं ना. टीचर इज अ वन हु टीचेस यू. वेदांत, वेरी गुड वेदांत. हु इज दिस? दिस इज अ टीचर. मैम मनिका, मैम रीना. ओके, एंड दिस इज ब्लैकबोर्ड. दिस इज ब्लैकबोर्ड. चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज ब्लैकबोर्ड. Abdul, close your mic. Okay. Now what is this? This is a chair. Chair नहीं बोलेंगे. No chair. Chair. Say like this. Say like this. Chair. Chair नहीं बोलते हैं. We say chair. कुर्सी. कुर्सी को क्या बोलते हैं? There are chair. There are chair in the classes. Okay. So all of you will say chair in the classes. Chair. Okay. Chair नहीं बोलेंगे. Chair. No chair. You will say chair. See my pronunciation. Chair. Okay. Like जैसे towel नहीं बोलते. Towel. You say towel. Okay. So this is chair. Okay. In the classroom, you sit on the chair now. You sit on the chair. I sit on my chair when sometimes I am doing my work. So this is a chair in the classroom. ये सब चीजें you see it in the classroom, children. Okay. What is this? This is a chalk. This is a chalk. See, I've got so many chalks. This is a chalk. Chalk. I write on the blackboard. With a chalk, I write on the blackboard. Okay. So what is this? This is a chalk. What is this? This is a pencil. Pencil से तुम लोग क्या करते हो? You write. You write. You write with a pencil, ना? Mummy sharpens the pencil. And then you write it, है ना? And don't use eraser again and again, children. Again I am repeating it. Don't use बार-बार rubber को मत use किया करो. What is this? This is pencil and this is chalk. What is this? Eraser. Yeah, this is eraser. Eraser is rubber. You rub it ना, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Eraser. No rubber. No one will say rubber. You will say eraser. My friend, please give me eraser. Mummy, please give me eraser. Mummy, please give me pencil. Speak like this. Speak in English. हाँ, Kashvi, close your audio. So, Mama, please. Yes, please give me pencil. Please give me eraser. जब तुम लोग मम्मी से पेंसिल मांगते हो, talk in English. मम्मी, please give me eraser. Please give me pencil. Please give me sharpener. है ना? So all these things are there ना. So what is this? This is a eraser. अब इसको कोई रबर नहीं बोलेगा, सब इरेजर बोलेंगे. Yes, Bindul. Bindul, this is eraser. Okay, what is this? Yeah, what is the lunch box? My God, जब तुम लोग स्कूल जाओगे तो मम्मा तुम लोग को लंच बॉक्स में सैंडविच देंगी, बर्गर देंगी, पराठा सब्जी देंगी. दैट इज अ लंच बॉक्स. तुम लोग अपना लंच बॉक्स खोलोगे, यू विल ईट इट इन द लंच टाइम, इन द टिफिन टाइम, है ना? सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ लंच बॉक्स. व्हाट इज दिस? अ लंच बॉक्स इन which mummy sends the tiffin. Mummy sends the food items. Shh, close your audio. Lot of disturbance coming. Okay, what is this? Water bottle. Parent, who is talking? Parent, please close your audios. Please. Okay, so what is this? Tiffin, water bottle. See, this is a water bottle. You देखो, this is a water bottle. What is this? This is a water bottle. This is a water bottle. You carry water. जब तुम लोग स्कूल जाते हो, you carry a water bottle ना, and you say, may I go drink water, ma'am? You are thirsty. तो तुम लोग क्या बोलते हो? May I drink water? May I drink water? You are thirsty. तुम लोग अब कार में भी जाते हो पापा मम्मी के साथ, तो always carry a bottle, children, with water. Don't drink water from outside. Okay, always carry your own bottle. Okay, in the school also you carry your own bottle in which you drink water, है ना? And when you are going in a car also for your outing with your papa mummy, to always carry a bottle. Water bottle. What is this? Water bottle. What is this? Wow, school bag. I'm just waiting कि you all are carrying your school bags like this and you all are going to school like this from the gate. You are carrying your school bag with a water bottle and then you are very happy, very excited कि मैम क्लासरूम में जा रहे हैं, मनिका मैम से मिलेंगे, नर्सरी सी में जाएंगे, है ना? Okay, so what is this? This is water bottle. Now what is this, children? What is this? This is an exercise book. This is a exercise book. Okay, what is this? This is a like this is your exercise book. ये देखो, ये तुम लोग की exercise book है. This is your exercise book. This is your exercise book. This is all your exercise book. ये देखो, this is also your exercise book. है ना? So what is this? Exercise book. Exercise book. You write also, these are the exercise books, these are the copies, these are the copies, exercise copies in which you write. Okay, understood, children? Now what is this? This is a student. This is a student. Like you are in the class, you are studying now, so you are a student. Agrima, you are a student. I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. मतलब जो आप पढ़ रहे हो, टीचिंग वहाँ पे सीख रहे हो, you are learning, तो you are a student. Okay, you are a student. This is water bottle. Okay, what is this? This, what is this? See, this is bench, desk, desk and bench table, bench and bench. This is desk and this is bench. This is all there, children, in our class. In cathedral, we have got all these things. There is a desk, आगे तुम लोग की डेस्क होती है और पीछे क्या होता है? there is a bench. You have to sit on the bench. Okay, so this is a bench. This is a bench and this is a desk, a table, a desk. Okay, अच्छा, what is this? This is a bulletin board. This is a bulletin board. Bulletin board means क्या होता है? कोई भी जो न्यूज़ होती है वहाँ पे चार्ट्स लगते हैं, सॉफ्ट बोर्ड्स होते हैं. In the classroom there are soft boards. So on the soft board, on the bulletin board, the different news are done, the stapled or tucked in, और जो charts होते हैं, fruits, vegetables and all, we put it on the bulletin board, we put it on the soft board, so, then draw pictures. Different charts are there, prayer chart, poem chart, nursery rhyme chart, all are put on the bulletin board or on the soft board. All in the class there are soft boards. Okay, when I will do classroom teaching, I will show you my classroom. There are all the things are there. You know, I've got one cupboard also in my class. One cupboard, one big cupboard I have got, in which I keep all the things. Then there is a table also at the back, जिस पे मैम सबकी bottles रखवाती हैं. There is a table. There is my big table and chair. And तुम लोग किस पे बैठते हो? तुम लोग you will sit on the bench and on the desk. A desk is kept in front. Okay, so these are all the classroom item, children, all the classroom item. So let us revise now. Blackboard, teacher, wait, close your audio, chair, chalk, pencil, exercise book, lunch box, tiffin box, student, bulletin board, or this is also called the soft board, children. You can say soft board also. Okay? Okay, school bag, and these are the chart paper. See, this is a chart paper on which fruits vegetable chart is there. Manika ma'am makes it, you know, fruits, vegetable, ABCD. So this is the chart paper. See, this is the chart paper, children. Okay, so these all items you see it in the classroom. Where do you see? You see it in a classroom. Where do you see? I see it in a classroom. Okay, so these are all the classroom items. Like once I did kitchen item, so today I am doing classroom items. Okay, page number 9. Okay, now questions I am telling you. What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? Vaishnavi? Only Vaishnavi will tell. Vaishnavi, chalo, come on. Vaishnavi, what is the name of your school? So the question is, what is the name of your school? You will say the name of my school is Cathedral Senior Secondary School. Okay, in which class do you study? Binduluda, in which class do you study? Wait, I study in nursery C. Okay, very good. Now where is Advika? Advika Shukla. Yes, Advika Shukla, where are you? Advika, come on. This also you know, what is the name of your teacher's name? What is your class teacher name? वेरी गुड. अब एक क्वेश्चन है जो तुम लोगों को शायद नहीं आता होगा, लास्ट वाला. व्हाट डू यू यूज डस्टर फॉर? वी यूज डस्टर फॉर क्लीनिंग. I don't have a duster, children, here, otherwise I would have shown you. There is a duster to clean the blackboard. Okay. Tejas, what do you use duster for? ठीक है. Yes, Rajvika. Good. Rajvika is showing the duster. Very good. Rajvika is for duster. Very good. Rajvika, okay. What do you use duster for? We use duster for cleaning. What do you use duster for? We use duster for cleaning. Okay, children. So these all things, different activities are there, children. The classroom items. So we will learn this. Okay, name of your class teacher, name of your school. In which class do you study? I study in nursery C. Okay, children. So these are the things you have to study, and very nicely. All right. So this is your native. Yes. Sabine, yeah, Sabine has also got duster. Sabine has also. Yes, Sabine, what do you use duster for? Cleaning the blackboard. For cleaning. Sabine, what is this? Sabine, what is this? Tell me what is this, Sabine? This. ये क्या है? What is? Very good. Clap. Very good. Very good. Ashwika. Sorry, Advika. Advika is there. Advika. Yuvan Kapoor. Yuvan Kapoor. Okay. Yes, Yuvan. Now tell me who is this? ये कौन है? Who is this? Who is this? Student. I'm a student. I'm a student. Okay. Yes. Yes. Adinav. 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 What is this? Adinav. What is this? This. What is this, Adinav? Yeah. Very good. Chalk. What is this? Chalk. What is this? Chalk. Where is Muhammad Ahil? I want to see Muhammad Ahil. Where is Muhammad Ahil? On video on. Yes, Ahil. Ahil, come on. Ahil, tell me what do you use duster for? What do you use duster for? Batao. What do you use duster for? हाँ. Yes, we use duster for cleaning. We use duster for cleaning. Page number 9 for cleaning. Okay, Myra. Myra, come on, tell me. Myra. Who is this? Myra. हाँ. Yes. हाँ. What? Who is this, Myra? Who is this? Yes. See, I am a teacher. Yes. Yes. Who is a teacher? A teacher is a person who teaches. A teacher is a person who teaches. Okay. A teacher is a person who teaches. Okay, children. So this is the nature study class, children. Okay. Now you have to revise this in the classroom. Okay. अब तुम लोग उससे क्या करते हो? अच्छा, I will ask some other child now. Wait. Arham Hussain. Arham Hussain. Where is Arham? Arham. Where is Arham? Abdul. Abdul, चलो आप बताओ. Abdul, you tell me. What is this? Abdul, what is this? Abdul, what is this? This is, yes, this is yes, exercise book or the copy. See, copy. This is the copy जिसमें तुम लोग काम करते हो. This is the copy. अच्छा, now see, this is the coloring book. ये देखो, this is the coloring book. Book. This is copy. Copy में क्या होता है? जिसमें आप लिखते हो. और book में क्या होता है? जिसमें आप पढ़ते हो, है ना? Book से आप पढ़ते हो ना, ABCD. Like you study from the book. See, you study from the book. Study from the book. This is book. Book. Okay. Now Aram. Yes, Aram, come on. Aram. Aram. Yes. Aram, what is the name of your school? Haan. See, I will give chance. Haan, go fast and come fast. Okay, before the class. Okay, Aran. Aran, what is? Yes. In which class do you study? In which class do you study, Aran? Yes, Cathedral Senior Secondary School. And in which class do you study? Very good. I study in nursery C. Okay, very good. Yes. Yes. Notice. Acha. Okay, this is the notice board. This is the bulletin board. See, this is. I am not able to understand. आप क्या कह रहे हैं? हाँ. Right. You can say the notice board. Bulletin board. You can say notice. Yeah. Good. हाँ, very good. You can say the notice board also. Yes. Okay. हाँ, you can say that soft board also. I to call. Mostly I call it soft board because we are putting all the charts on the soft board. It is called, actually, I'll tell you what is the difference between a bulletin board and in bulletin board, what happens in bigger classes, na, they are putting the news. Whatever news is there, na, that is why they say bulletin board. Because they staple the news, they tag the news, what is the news, everyday news. But our children are very small, so there is no bulletin board in our class. There are only soft boards, or there are the in which we are putting the charts. Okay, come on, Dania. What you are saying, Dania? Come on, Dania. Answer me, Dania. Who is this? Dania, who is this? Tell me, who is this? Who is this, Dania? Yeah, yes. Okay. And who is this? What is this? Dania, what is this? This is a school bag. Very good. This is a school bag. Rihan. Oh, very good, Rihan. Rihan, tell me now, what is this? Who will tell me this? Rihan, what is this? This. This is a desk. A desk. अच्छा. Who? What is this? ये मैम ने क्या बताया था? What is this? चेयर नहीं बोलते, चेयर, इट इज चेयर. ओके. अच्छा, आहिल क्या बोल रहे हो तुम? आहिल, वेयर इज आहिल? शो मी व्हाट आहिल इज सेइंग. आहिल, शो योर वीडियो. हाँ, 1 मिनट. हाँ आहिल, बताओ व्हाट. This, हाँ, you color it. You want, you can color it. Whenever you want, you can color it. Yes, very good. And yes, you won. हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, ओके. अग्रिमा. अच्छा, वेट, लेट मी चेक. Yes. You can't do CrossFit, beta. Just now you are very small. You can't. I thought he's asking for the coloring. That's why I said. This. This. Okay, this crossword. No, bacha, you can't do. See, you can't do. Oh, this you can identify. This you can color it. Elephant. This you can color it. You want, you can color this. Identify the animal and color it with a grey color. Color it with the grey color. Okay. Then this is peacock. Peacock also you can color it. Agrima. Agrima. Come on, Agrima. Huh. Agrima. Now tell me, where is the soft board? Show me in the picture. Where is the soft board, Agrima? Show me. Agrima, book में से दिखाओ, where is the bulletin board or the soft board? हाँ, और ऊपर. हाँ, good, very good, Agrima. Okay, where is the eraser? Where is eraser? Where is eraser, children? Yes, good. हाँ, this is the eraser. Very good. Where is pencil, you write. Pencil. हाँ, good. Very good, Agrima. Okay, where is Arjun Mathur today? I want to see Arjun Mathur. Where is Arjun Mathur? Show me. Yes, show me. Yes, Arjun. Arjun, now tell me, where is the blackboard? Where is the blackboard, Arjun? Where is the blackboard? Yes, where is the blackboard? Yes, good. Where is a chair? Chair in which you sit? Chair. Yes, good. There is a duster. Yes, very good. Ashvika. Yes, Ashvika, now tell me what is the. Acha, Ashvika, tell me. Acha, in which class do you read? Wait, Danya. In which class do you read? In which class do you study? Yes, very good. Now, where is lunchbox? Lunchbox. Show me lunchbox. Yes. Lunch. Yes, good. Dania, what happened? Yes. Yes, what happened, Dania? Why? What happened? Okay, thank you. Okay, children, come on. We will sing birthday song for Myra. Today is Myra's